Hey everyone, welcome back at Charlotte from @Charlotte's House, and this is my third video installation for Dueling DIY. I'm really excited to give you an update, show you what I've been doing in the space, and just get you up to speed. For those of you that may be watching this video for the first time, here's what Dueling DIY is. My friend Sarah from Ugly Duckling House, she started this a little while ago, and she invites a friend to join her, and together we make over one space in our house, and there's a little bit of trash talk, we share ideas. This go around, it is the guest room gauntlet. So I am sitting in the guest room that I have been making over. She is doing a guest room in her house, and it's been really fun to watch each other's progress. This room used to be my daughter Louise's. She now is down the hall sharing a space with her sister. So I wanted this to be a guest room, but also do double duty as a place where we can kind of address the laundry situation that we typically have with 5 kids. I have put wallpaper up. You guys saw that last update. Now you're getting a sense of what I'm pairing with the wallpaper, and I am loving the depth and the layer that this brings. I have this duvet that I just received from the Roostery. My daybed went out to get upholstered Saturday. So this part of the room is coming together. I am about to install some lights, and I'm having a little bit of insecurity about the lights I chose. I chose these because I figured if you were sitting in bed, you would want a light to come out over you a little bit more, and they swivel. So maybe that is the right choice, but now that I'm seeing them, I'm just worried that they come out too far. I don't know. Let me know what you think. I can't remember if I've shown you guys my floating shelves. I will link to the tutorial that I posted on YouTube because these were so much easier than I thought. I was a little bit intimidated by them because they're heavy. They're made of wood, and I was just worried that hanging something so heavy, I would make a mistake. It was truthfully super easy to do. I left them unstained. I put a coat of polyacrylic over them just to seal it, and I love it. It looks really nice. I didn't have to take up any floor space, and it gives me a little kind of detail where I can style things, put photographs. I'm so happy with that. Other things that I'm still trying to decide about, I have a chair that is currently in the corner of the room, and I was going to get rid of it because I didn't think it would match. But I'm sort of looking at the pattern, and it seems like maybe it matches better than I thought, and maybe it would be nice to have a chair. So there's a lot of maybes. I think that'll be a last-minute decision once the entire space is finished, but that's something I'd love your opinion on. Finally, my big blank wall that is on the other side of the room, I still have a table and some laundry baskets to bring up. That will be fun because that'll really help me envision what this side of the room is going to look like. Right now, this side of the room is very bright, very colorful, very bold, and that side of the room is completely neutral. So I need to balance it a little bit. I know that Sarah has made amazing progress in her space as well. So make sure you head over and check out progress she's made. I know she's built a Murphy bed. She painted a wall, and I wasn't sure what was going on at first, but now that I see how that paint ties in with some other things that she built, it looks amazing. So go check out her video, go check out her room. Although she went away to a conference, so maybe she'll use that as an excuse, and maybe she's made 0 progress. What do I know? This guest room looks very, very different than it did before I started. It feels much bigger, which I love. Any chance that I can bring in bright color and pattern is a fun excuse for me, so this was just win-win. The rest is just sort of setting up and styling, so yay! But don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to Sarah's YouTube channel. Leave me comments. Let me know what you think about these lights. If you have any other suggestions, I love hearing what you guys think. So thanks so much for watching, and have a great day, everyone.